Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create an online store website like this. So here you can see this is a demo site and this is the front page. If you scroll down you can see the list of products here, and if you want to buy something just simply click on it and then you can see the product details like this. This is the product name, product description, and if you scroll below you will also see additional information. You can also leave reviews here. So it has all functionalities that you would need in an online e-commerce store. If you want to buy this product, simply click on add to cart and then you will have to click on view cart, and then you can review all the products in your cart and then proceed to checkout. So let's learn how to do this. First, you have to create a WordPress website with Bluehost hosting. Do not worry, it is very easy. And if you have never created a WordPress website, you can watch my previous video in which I have shown you how to do it step by step. The link to that video will be in the right top corner. First, watch that and create a WordPress website, and then we can proceed with creating the online store. So first, let me show you how my WordPress website looks right now. You can see this is a basic WordPress installation. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance. From here, click on Themes. Now click on this button here, Add New Theme. In the search bar here, search for a theme called Astra. So this is the theme we need. Click on Install. Then click on Activate. Okay, once this theme is activated, you will see a new option on the left sidebar of the screen here, Astra Options. Just click on this. Here you will see this option, Install Importer Plugin. Click on it. We are going to use Elementor as our page builder. So select Elementor. Okay, so now we have installed Astra theme and installed the template library, and you can see all the templates available. So this will save our time and we do not have to create a website completely from scratch. There are many good free templates available. So I will show you how to sort it. First go here and then click on free. Then from here filter e-commerce themes. Okay. So these are 6 amazing free templates available. This completely for free. And if you need more templates, you can also upgrade to the Astra Premium here. You can see this option, but it is completely optional and you can create a great website as I showed you before in the demo, completely for free. So for example, I would select this theme. Just click on it and you can see all the page templates available. There is a home page, an about page, and a contact us page. So this is perfect for an e-commerce store, and if you want you can also add more pages here. So first let's preview how this theme will look. Click on preview. So similarly you can preview all other themes if you like before importing any. After you find a theme you like, you can import it. Just click on this option, import complete site. Here select your WordPress experience level and then select I'm building a site for myself. This is not really important. You can fill any information here and it won't really matter much. Then click on next. Here you can click on skip. And now the importing process will begin. So what it will do is it will import all the necessary plugins, themes, and whatever else is required. So this will take like 2-3 minutes for the import process to be complete. Okay, so our import is complete. Let's visit our site and see how it looks now. Just click on right click here and open it in a new tab. So you can see right now our website looks exactly like the demo site. Earlier it used to look like this. So you saw how easily we imported the template and we saved so much time. Now let's learn how to customize this and sell your own product here. All the design elements, all the images you see can be customized and you can replace everything. You can also delete or add new sections here. So before doing all this, we will have to set up our store settings. So for that, let's go to the WordPress dashboard here. Just close this pop-up and just refresh this page. or you can just go to the dashboard option here and then go to home. So this will just refresh the dashboard area here. So after refreshing on the left sidebar, you can see there are a lot more plugins now. First, let's set up our WordPress store settings. For this, go to WooCommerce here, then go to settings. Here in the general tab, first fill your store address here. Now in the general options, you will have to select where you want to sell your products. So either you can set it to sell to all countries. For example, you have a digital product, then there is no limitation where you can sell it because it is very easy. You do not have to ship it. It's just a digital product. Okay. So let's say I have a physical product and then I will select sell to specific countries. So for example, I will select India here. You can select the country where you want to sell. So if you want to sell to multiple countries, then all you can add that here as well. For example, I also want to sell to Canada, so I can do that here as well. Okay, so I will just remove it right now, and then you will have to select where you want to ship. So I will select the same thing. I want to ship it only to specific country. Next, in default customer location, for now just set it to no location by default. You can also set it to geolocate it automatically from the customer IP address, but for that we will have to do some advanced settings. So I will show you later how to do it. Now just select it to no location by default. When customer will enter their address, so it will automatically get corrected. Then enable tax and calculations. Also enable use of coupon codes. Then select your currency here. Okay, now click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the products tab here. Keep the shop page to store, because when you go to a website, you can see the store option here. So if you click on it, you can see this is our main products page. But you see right now the links format is not correct. So I will show you how to quickly fix it. In your WordPress dashboard, go to settings here, go to permalinks, select post name type here, and then click on save changes. Now let's go back to the WooCommerce settings. Go to products here. Okay, here this is the option you see, add to cart behavior. So if you take this option, whenever customer add a product to the cart, they will automatically be redirected to the checkout page. Okay, so just keep this unticked, and then now you can change your measurements here. For example, if you want it to gram or pound or something, you can change it. And similarly, instead of centimeter, you can have millimeter, inches, yards, whatever you like. Then you can enable or disable product reviews, and also you can select if you want to allow only verified customers to leave reviews, and if you want them to allow star ratings, and if it is mandatory. After setting this up, click on save changes. Now let's go to the tax tab. Now before we set our tax options, we will have to set our standard rates. So for this, go to standard rates here and then set the standard tax rates. So click on insert row here and then set your country code. Just fill your country name here, and then you can skip the settings. Go to rate here. For example, I want to apply 12% tax rate, so I will say the tax name is VAT 12, and then I do not want it to be applied to the shipping, so I will just untick this and then click on save changes. Now there are very advanced options possible with the shipping rates and tax rates, but for this tutorial purpose I'm only showing you the basics that you would need. And after setting up your store, and when you find more information about the tax rates applicable, then you can search for how to include those advanced tax rates and then edit those settings here. Okay, now let's go to tax options. So here in the first option, I will select the no option because I do not want to enter product prices with taxes, and they will be calculated later. and I want it to be calculated based on shipping address and shipping tax class. So either if you are selling a same product on your website, you can set it to standard here, so the standard 12% rate will be applicable. Okay, then how you want to display prices in the shop, excluding taxes or including, and then similarly in the checkout and cart process. So I want to show it including tax. Then click on Save Changes here. Now go to the Shipping tab. Okay, so now let's add shipping rates for our products. Go to the Shipping tab here. Then click on Add Shipping Zone. Here you can select a name for your zone. This is just for your reference, so just make sure that you type something that you will remember. For example, I will select local city, and then I will add my city name here. You can also set specific zip codes. Then add shipping method. So I will select here free shipping and add another local pickup. So for my local city, I want to provide free shipping, but for everywhere else, I want to charge a flat rate. So I will again go to shipping zones here. Click on add shipping zone. So you can either select different rate for each location, each city, or each zip code, or you can add a flat rate for every other location except the zone. Then click on manage shipping methods for this locations not covered by your other zones. So for rest of India, because first I selected that I'm only shipping to India. So I will charge a flat rate. Click on edit, and you can select the tax status here, taxable or none. Again, here you will have to refer to your local law. So let's say I select none here, and in cost I will put 50. Click on save changes. Now let's go to payments here. Okay, so by default, these four options are available. Direct bank transfer. So in this, you will have to provide your account number, but this is not really very popular, and I don't think you would like to accept this form of payment as well. And also not checks, because for online, either you will need cash on delivery, PayPal, or you want to accept credit card, debit card. Now you can also accept credit card, debit card with PayPal. But if you want to have more payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, Alipay, WeChat, etc., so then you will have to install a new plugin. For this, go to plugins here, click on add new. Then in the search bar here, search for plugin called Stripe. So this is the plugin we need, Stripe for WooCommerce. Click on install now, then click on activate. Okay, so it has been activated. Now let's again go back to the WooCommerce settings, go to payments tab. Now if you scroll here, you will see there are so many options available. Alipay, GrabPay, WeChat, Apple Pay, Google Pay, every option you would want, there is available here. Now if you are from India, then you can also accept UPI, which will have zero fees or lowest fees depending on the payment gateway. So if you want a tutorial on that, post in the comments and I will show you how to do it. And for international users, you can use Stripe credit card method to accept credit card payments. You can also accept this Apple Pay or PayPal. Just you will have to enable it from here. So I will enable three payment options here, and then you will have to set it up here. Okay, so for cash on delivery, there's nothing to set up. The payment will be collected when it will be delivered. And then for PayPal, you will have to click on setup here. So you can see enable PayPal standard. So you can receive payments through PayPal just by putting your email address here. You can edit the description here. So for testing, you can enable sandbox. But the problem with this method is that you cannot issue refunds. So for issuing refunds, what you will have to do is scroll down. And here you will need this API credentials. To learn how to get API credential, just click on this link here, open it in a new tab. It's really easy. All you have to do is log into your PayPal and then you will see this API option. So I will create a separate video covering all the payment options for WooCommerce because it is fairly broad topic and it will take some time to cover everything. So for that, I will create a different video. But it is really easy. All you have to do is log in and then you can get the API key and then put it here. Then click on Save Changes and the PayPal payment option will be live on your website. Okay. So for now, I will just go back here to the Payments tab. Similarly, you will have to set up your Stripe credit card account. For this also, you will have to sign up on stripe.com. You will have to provide your bank details and then you will get your API key. So similarly, after getting your key, just click on manage here and then you can see all the different options available here. So the documentation is provided by Stripe is here. And as I said, I will create a separate video about this payments topic. Okay. So that's how you can set up the API settings and start accepting credit card payments. Okay. So now let's go to the accounts and privacy tab here. Here you can decide if you want to allow guest checkout options and other privacy related options. So again, a lot of this will depend upon your local law there. Now let's go to the emails tab. Here you will see that for what instance who will get the email. For example, for a new order, the admin will get this email. So this is my email ID for cancelled order, failed order, and for all these instances, processing order, complete order, customer will get the email notification. So you can, I would suggest you to edit this to your business name here and also your from address. So I would actually recommend you to put a custom domain business email address here, which looks more professional, like shop@mysite.com. Okay, something like that. For now, I will just reverse it to the previous Gmail ID because I'm just using for demo. Then you can also change the email template here, but for now let's keep it at default and we can edit all these things later. And if you're using Stripe, you can take this option so the customer will get a separate email receipt from Stripe when the order is processed. So for now I will just click on save changes. Okay, and let's go to integration. So this is the geolocation I told you about, that you will need a API key from here as well. So I will cover this later. Let's go to advanced now. And from here, there's not really much to set up. I would recommend you to just leave it as default. Okay, so congratulations, our store setting is almost complete. Now let's learn how you can add products on your website and also customize the design of your store. For this, go to the left sidebar here and then go to products here. Click on all products here. First, let's delete all the demo products that were imported with the template. So for this, just take here, select all. In bulk action, click on move to trash and then click on apply. So as you can see now, I have moved all the demo products to the trash here. If you want, you can also restore it by going to the trash. Okay. So now let's learn how to add a new product. Click on add new here. First, write your product name here. For example, I want to sell a red handbag. Okay. Now here you will have to write a short description about your product. Actually, this is the long description, but when you will edit, you will realize where this appears. So I will just write a simple description. This is a very, then scroll down and set the price here. I want to sell it for 500 and I want to put it on sale here. So you can also do that and you can schedule the sale. So I want the sale offer to be from today to be valid till tomorrow. Okay, for 2 days. And on sale, this product is for 450. Okay. Then tax status, it is taxable and tax class is standard. Then again, write a product short description. Put it here. I will just copy and paste it, the same thing. Then in the right sidebar, you will have to set product category. So for example, I want to add a new category. So I want to add here bags. Then in women, click on add new category. Okay. So just take this both these options. Then you can add product tags here. And then the next important thing is product image. Click on set product image here, and then you can click on select file and upload files from your PC. So for this demo, I will just select a product image already available in my media library from the demo content. So let's scroll down. Let's select this product image. Click on set product image, and if you have multiple pictures of this product, so you can upload them here by clicking on this option, add product gallery image. So we just go to upload image here, select files, and then you can add those images. Let's preview it how this listing looks. So you can see here, this is the preview of our product listing. This is the description here, and you can review it here. You can view the product image properly here. Okay, so this is the product name, and it is on sale, so you can see the price has been reduced, and a sales tag also has been added here. Okay, so let's close this and publish this. Okay, click on publish. So let's view our product here. Okay, so we have published our first product listing here. Now let's go to the home. So I showed you how to add product listing, but as you can see here, now in featured products, there is nothing. So if you want to add some products to the featured product section here, what you have to do is go to dashboard here, go to products, all products, and when you will have multiple products, so whichever product you want to be featured on the home page or in the featured section, what you have to do is just take the star option here. Okay, now let's go to the home page, visit site, and let's scroll down, and you can see in the featured products, now you can see the handbag here. Okay, so now we have learned how to add a simple product to our website, but there are advanced options available. For example, you want to sell this handbag in different colors, or you have a clothing website, or you have a clothing store, and for a same t-shirt you will have different colors, different sizes. So for every different color or size, you don't have to create a different product listing. So for adding such a product, when you go to the add new product option here, in product data, you will have to select this variable product. And as you can see, there are many options available in the product data, inventory, shipping, link products, and everything. So for this, I will have to create a different video and explain everything in detail. So I already have some products on this topic, and I will provide those links in the description, so you can check them from here. This all may seem a bit difficult in the beginning, but trust me, once you add some products, it is really easy and you will learn it in no time. So now let's learn how you can edit the design of your store. For this, you will have to go to your home page and or whichever page you want to edit. Okay, so for example, I want to change this text here. So I will go to home page and then click on edit with Elementor. Here, as you can see now, we can see the editing options. You can add some sections here. And as you can see, to edit any text, all you have to do is just write something new here. Okay, so that's how really simple it is. Whichever section you want to edit, just select it and then click on this pencil icon. Then you can edit those. Okay, if you want to change the design of this button here, just click on this, and there are many options available, so you can edit them like that. Okay, similarly, if you want to edit this image here, so let's say you want to edit this image, you will have to select this, then go to style here, and then you will see the change image option. So that's how really simple it is to do. And if you want to add a new section here, first you have to select where you want to place it. So for example, I want to place it here in between. I will go here and click on plus here. Then you can click plus here, then select the structure. So I want to have one button here or one image here. Then I will go here, click on this 9 icons here. So I want to add a heading here. So I will just drag and drop it here. Okay. Then you can just replace, then you can just style it as you would like. For example, I will just center it. You can change color from going to the style option here. You can select any color you want, and basically that's how simple it is. Similarly, you can add images, more section and everything, but for this, for advanced design editing, you will have to learn a bit about the Elementor page builder. Okay, and there are more options available. For example, you can import the pre-made blocks here. So for example, we will use Astra blocks. You can see, yeah, go to blocks here. So you can also add new pages if you want. There are many free options. You can see some are premium, but many are free. So let's go to block here, and so example, I like this block. Select any block and then click on import block, and it will be imported. Okay, so this taking a bit time, so I will just skip this for now. And then when you are done editing and happy with the new design, you can just click on this update option and all the new design elements will be updated. Let's view this page. Now you can see this is the heading we added. Okay, and this we also edited this text here. Now let's try to buy a sample product from website and see how the buying process works. So let's scroll down, and I want to buy this red handbag here. Just click on it. Now let's view it here, then add it to cart. Okay, so you can see it has been added to the cart. Let's go to checkout. On this page, you can review the items you are buying. And then if you scroll down in the cart totals here, you can see the subtotal, and you can see there is no shipping price here. So for this, click on calculate shipping, and let's select our city location. Okay, so for this, you just need the city. So if you remember, I selected free shipping for my local city, and for everywhere else in India, flat rate shipping fees. So I will just update it here, and you can see flat shipping rate of 50 rupees has been applied, and also the tax has been applied, and you can see 54 rupees is tax, and you can see the VAT. Okay, now let's proceed to checkout. I'm seeing this error because I have not set up the Stripe payment, but let's ignore it for now. Then put your name here. After filling your information, if you want, you can also ship it to a different address. So you can see all the tax calculation and everything has been done automatically. So for making payment, I will select cash on delivery. But before making your website live, I would recommend you to test a small payment. So I will select cash on delivery and then click on place order. And also one thing that you can also edit this options here. So if I select PayPal, you will see this notice pay via PayPal. So this all can be edited, whatever you want to add here. So if I here add here, you can see I cannot add credit cards right now because I have not set it up. Let's place the order now, and voila, we have placed our order. You can see, thank you, your order has been received. This is the order number, date, email, total amount, and the payment method we selected. And this is our billing address, shipping address. Okay, so this is how the customer will see. Now you have received the order. Let's see what you have to do next. Okay, go to the WordPress dashboard here. Let's go to home. Okay, here you can here you will see there are so many widgets, and you can also collapse them. So so here you will see this is a useful widget, and you can also move it here where you will like. So I will move it to the top. Okay, so here you can see we just got a notification that we have made a sale, and this is the amount, this is the product, and how many orders are waiting processing. So or alternative is you can go to WooCommerce and go to orders here. Okay, so here you will see all the orders pending or all orders you have received, whatever their status is. Okay. So this is it, and here you can quickly change the status here, and I will show you how to you can modify the order and everything. Just click on the order you want to modify or mark it as complete. Okay, here you can see these are the order details, and when you are done processing the order, you can change the status from or you can change it to pending payment, on hold, completed, cancelled, refund, failed, anything you would like. Okay, So when you are done it, you can set it to complete, or if you want to edit it, so if a customer emails you can also edit it before processing, before completing the order. So you can change things here. Okay, or you can also refund them. Okay, refund your customer from here. For example, I will mark it as complete, and then here in the right sidebar there are some more options available. In order actions, you can see this option: email invoice, resend new order notification, regenerate download permission. So if a customer wants the invoice or they did not got it the first time, you can re-email them. Okay, just click on it and then take this click on this option. So the email invoice will be emailed to them again. Here in my email inbox, you can see how the email looks. So this is the first email I got. This was for the new order. Let's see to whom it was sent. So it was sent to my email ID. So it was sent to the admin email ID, basically the seller email ID. Okay, for the new order. You can see it contains the same details, order number, rate, and everything. Okay, and then you will also get a new order has been received email. Okay, so this will be sent to the customer for thank you for order. This is the order confirmation email. They will also get the same details. Okay, and then this email will also be sent to the customer. I should have used different email inboxes, but just for the convenience, sent it to my same Gmail inbox. Okay, so here you can see it has been sent to admin. So this was the customer email ID I selected. When we mark this as complete, they will get this email. Okay, now you will see I resent them the invoice. So this is that email. Okay, but before marking their order as complete, unless it was a local pickup and there is no tracking number involved, but if there is any tracking number, I would recommend you to go here, go to the order details and add a note here like this: your order has been shipped via courier name, and you can customize the note here. We are tracking number just 111. Okay, so if you select private note here, then the customer will not get the notification. Only your own team will be able to see it from the WordPress dashboard. But if you want this tracking number to be updated to the customer, just select note to customer and then click on add. And when you will do this, the customer will get a notification that this is their tracking number. And when you know that the order has been delivered, you can mark it as complete. Okay, let's see if we got another email. Okay, so there was a slight delay. You can see I just got this email: note added to your order. Okay, you can see a note has been added, and the note is your order has been shipped via tracking number. So this is how you can keep updating the customer for any type of updates. You just have to put the note here, then select note to customer and then click on add. So that's it guys for this tutorial. I know it became a bit long, but we covered a lot of things and this was just the basics. There are many advanced customization options available for WooCommerce. It is a very powerful tool. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful, and sorry about some disturbance in the video. Please post your feedback in the comments and do let me know if you like the video or what things I should improve, or if there is any doubt or you couldn't understand anything or I forgot to cover something. Just post in the comments and I will try to help you out and update any tutorial or do the things required. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next video.